Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Spotify song forward not working in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or another iOS device and when you want to play next song and facing the issue that next or forward button is not working on your Spotify app, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to click on your main profile on your Spotify and guys click on settings and privacy. So guys, simply you have to log out your account and guys after this you need to log in again after a few seconds and guys your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to go back and guys you need to check for update, open your app store and here you need to search Spotify. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to search this app and guys you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update it first and after doing this you have to go back. And guys at third you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general and guys click on iPhone storage. And after this you have to click on Spotify app. So guys you need to find here Spotify and click on Spotify and guys you need to offload your app. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, you have to log out this account and guys log in a new account on this Spotify app and guys after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to do next songs on your app. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.